Cloudinary Collections feature helps you organize your assets. You can group together assets from various folders into a single collection. Adding an asset to a collection doesn't affect its folder location. You can even add the same asset to multiple collections. For example, suppose you're designing a new header image for your website's homepage. You can select images and videos that might be candidates for the header's background and add them to a new collection. You can create your collections first and then add assets to it. To do this, go to the Media Library page. Then select some images and videos for this project and add them to the collection. You can create new collections on the fly by typing the name of a collection that doesn't yet exist and clicking Create New Collection. You can name the new collection anything you want. You can always add new assets to your collections. Simply select the assets you want to add and choose the Add to Collection option. Start typing the name of the collection you want to add the assets to. When you see it, select it, and the assets will be added to it. You can find all of your collections from the Media Library menu. This will make accessing those assets simple and efficient. You can keep the collection for as long as you need it. Once you wrap up the project, you can delete the collection without affecting the original assets or your folder structure. If you want to remove an asset from a collection, go into the relevant collection and then simply select the asset's checkmark and select Remove from the toolbar. This will remove the asset from the specific collection. It will still remain in any other collections it may have been added to, as well as its folder. Our team has plenty of other resources for you to learn how to take advantage of collections organization and collaborative capabilities. This includes a tutorial and complete documentation on how to share your collections with both internal and external users if you have a paid Cloudinary account. Thanks for watching.